What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO 19 in the building. I'm actually doing this video heading to get lowered cycles, getting ready to do my 475 cam and by SNS, and also the oil pump by SNS. Then getting a power visioned tuner on it as well, and also to do the dyno, so dyno tuning as well. The bike right now is on the lift in back. I just went on an insane ride. Did the iron butt challenge with my boy G. We did 1,000 miles under 24 hours, and we wind up doing 1,000 miles, 1,006 miles in 22 hours. It was an incredible ride, definitely a great journey. And also, that video will be out sometime this week. I'm not sure because it's Thanksgiving week and it's gonna be hard for me from work and to edit and stuff like that. So, but it will be out. I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as possible. And like I said, there's a lot of writing, more like, you know, taking pictures of the mileage with the receipts, and are exhausted. We were exhausted, delirious, and we got caught in 3 hours of hardcore rain. But we did it, thank God. We did it from 4 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock in the morning. So we made it within 2 hours. But anyways, that's a video coming up pretty soon this week. Stay tuned. But right now, this video is about going to get lowered cycles. I want to thank my boy Dave for recommending it for me to go over there and to do the cam work and change my oil pump as well. And what else? Oh, I'm actually doing this in a trailer because people work. I don't like to ask them favors, and the best way to do is go to U-Haul, rent a motorcycle trailer. It only costs $15 for the whole day. Make sure you reserve it online at your nearest U-Haul place. $15, and you could use the U-Haul, but you got to make sure you have a car or a truck that has how do you call it, the hitch mount on it, so then you can take your bike. All right. So as soon as we get to get lowered cycles, we'll be there, drop it off, and then head home. All right. So let me show you really fast on my rear mirror. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. But there it is. Peep it. All right, guys, stay tuned. Once we get to get lowered cycles, we'll record them getting them off the hitch. All right, guys, we're here at Get Lowered Cycles. We got my man Mike right there as well. He's getting ready to do some can work and the oil pump from SNS. There's this place, building number E. Like I said, make sure you use the trailer, $15 if you don't have anybody. All right, so we're about to show you real quick what it looks like. You got the stuff in there? This is your bike, right?
Yeah, this is mine up on the dyno now.
What is it?
It's a 2020 Road Glide Special.
You're always working on it?
Yeah, we're rolling through all the exhaust testing now. I think it's like the 7th exhaust that we're trying out on it.
Cool. Nice. I like these. These are sweet.
Low Motorsports jet fuel.
Very cool. I saw them in the video and in pictures, but in person they look actually better in person. Very nice.
Yeah, so far it's got the flow on it, the Lindell rotors, the Kraus, and more setup on it.
What's your numbers on this?
I think the best spike we did so far is horsepower in the D&D, which was like 88 horse.
Mm-hmm.
The torque was 115. Right there.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Nice.
On the torque.
And it's a 114.
Yeah, it's a 114.
All right, cool.
So one more exhaust and we'll jump into cam testing.
Yeah, very nice. All right. This is his shop right here. Nice. We got little cycles. Very nice. So you got the SNS ready to go.
Yep. Yes, this is the cam chest kit.
So this is the oil pump and the cam, right?
Yep. Yes, we got our oil pump here.
Oh, so when you order, it's like one box.
Yeah, so this is their entire cam chest kit.
Alright.
So I'll have the oil pump, the cam plate here.
Cam plate right there. Very nice.
We've got our tappets. Got the 475 fang here.
Oh, look at that. Very nice. What a beast.
So kind of gives that nice, good, chunky sound.
Yeah, yeah. And this is the oil pump, right?
Yeah, that's the oil pump there.
Look at that. Man, this is heavy. This is heavier than that.
Yeah, see, that's got all the rotors and everything on it. That's pretty much it.
Push rod.
Yeah, quickie push rods, covers.
All right.
Gasket,
Cool. All right, guys. He's gonna leave the bike. I'm gonna leave the bike here for a couple days. It is Thanksgiving week. I'm not really in a rush to do it, so he's gonna take his time. I'll probably pick it up sometime next week, and then we'll continue from there. So stay tuned with the video coming up. Like I said, if you need anything, come see Mike. He'll take care of you, and we'll go from there. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think, and we'll get back to you on the next video. All right. Take care.